The 2020 Ford Escape key fob uses a CR2032 battery. First, ensure your vehicle is off and you're working on a clean surface. Locate the small notch on the side of the fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool into the notch and gently pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery held in place by a metal clip. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the clip and pop out the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, with the positive plus side usually facing up. Wearing gloves is a good idea to avoid transferring oils to the components. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the key fob with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the metal clip snaps back into place to secure the battery. Next, align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test the key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your Ford Escape. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If issues persist, consult Ford's website or a professional.